Hi everyone, this is Jason with All American Print Supply, and in this video, we will show you how to properly perform the manual head cleaning for your Ricoh Ri 1000. This maintenance should be performed once a week consistently to ensure your printer's optimal performance. First, you will need the following supplies: a paper towel, cleaning swabs, tweezers, the Ricoh cleaning solution, a small cup, and a minimum 91% pure isopropyl alcohol. You will either need a lint-free cloth to use with the alcohol, or we like to use these lint-free pre-soaked towels. Second, go into the Ricoh menu, click the second tab, and select Manual Head Cleaning. Click Yes. Wait for the print head to move to the center of the printer, then open the printer lid. Third, pour in a small amount of the Ricoh cleaning solution into the cup and dip the cleaning swab. Tap on the sides of the cup to make sure that you don't drip any excess solution in other parts of the printer. Use the swab to clean any excess ink that is present on the capping station. As you clean this area, any dried ink that starts to peel off, use the tweezers to remove carefully. In between cleanings, use the paper towel to wipe away excess ink from the cleaning swab before dipping it again into the cleaning solution. Repeat until all excess ink has been removed. Then move over to the wiper blade and begin the process again. Be extra cautious when cleaning the wiper blade. Make sure not to damage the clip that is holding the wiper blade. Once complete, you will also need to clean the surface of the flushing box if any ink is present. The fourth step will be to clean your encoder strip. First, press the clip inward and unlatch the encoder strip from the left side of the printer. The connection on the right side of the printer should easily come off now that it has been detached from the left side clip. Then carefully pull the encoder strip through the carriage unit. Taking your lint-free cloth that has been soaked in alcohol, gently pinch the encoder strip and run down the length of the strip. As you can see, you will have residue coming off the strip. Repeat the process until you don't see any more residue coming off. Once completed, reinstall the encoder strip by feeding the strip through the carriage. Once through, attach the strip to the clip on the right side of the printer first. Once attached, press the left side clip inward and carefully attach the strip. Now that you've completed the manual head cleaning, go back to the printer screen and click End. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.